Hello everyone, special thank you to Adrian in Staten Island, New York. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the licensed optician behind the lens today. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm happy seeing Mo Better and look at Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Adrian's. Now there's only one frame that can be in this box. It is the RB4105, the folding Wayfarer. It comes in two sizes, 50 and 54. I'll be showing you the 54 eye size today. I've got it in color 601S, which is the matte black. I'll have a link in the description below, as well as at the end of this video, to take you to the website. This frame sells for $180 complete, with one free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses with any and all add-ons available, of which you will see some really cool add-ons. I even had to get its own little special box for shipping. How about that? A little 4x4x4 box. Now inside here is the case, the Ray-Ban cleaning cloth with junk mail inside of it, the demo lenses that I removed to cut his prescription lenses. The only thing I wish they would do better, and I'm old school, is have a belt clip on the back so it actually looks like a little beeper that you could attach to your... That's the only thing they could do to make better. But, you know, the flip open case, and here you go. And by the way, you have to use special effects when opening and closing this frame. Sound effects from the old 70s martial arts movies. I will demonstrate. Whoopsh, 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 whoopsh. Now, that is official. Adrian, you have to do that. Whoopsh, 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 every time you open and close this. I tell you, when the clown gets to laugh at work, it's a good day at work. But this is what it looks like. Now, what Adrian got, oh, what he gonna get? This is what I got him. He got the Zeiss Clearview polycarbonate polarized gray C, which is just an optical term meaning for the darkest. There is no gray A or B, which years ago there was some lighter color polarized. No one ever wanted them, so they only have the one, the C being the darkest. He got the DuraVision mirror silver, which is what they say in German. I say the DuraVision silver mirror, shiny silver. I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye, same for the left. So when he looks out, he sees the polarized gray. How can you tell if it's polarized? You hold it up. This is a polarized clip if you have a known polarized, or if it's not polarized, you hold one, whoosh, there, I did it. You hold one over it, you can see through. You hold it 90 degrees, it goes dark. You see those weird special effects in there? I'm going to have to move my head because of the parallax. That's the 4 to 5 inches of my eyesight versus the camera. But polarized lenses on computer screens make some really weird special effects. I need to point that out now to people, that you don't see that when you look through them, but when you try and look through it through a polarized lens, you get some really weird distortion, because polarized, think of it as skipping a stone off of water. Light does the same thing. It hits a flat surface and reflects back up. Computer screens, which is the age we live in, LCD, is a glare source. So the clip is working. When you try and look at a computer screen through a polarized lens, you get some really weird distortion because the lens is working as advertised. Now, when you're wearing it, you don't get that effect. It's only when you take it off and try and look through that. When you use glasses or lenses for something it's not designed for, you don't get the desired results. The glasses, they don't float, but they're not designed to float. My computer malfunctions when I put it underwater, but the computer is not designed to be worn underwater. So, well, this one is, but that's another story. So, when you're wearing it, everything works perfectly. When you take it off and try and look through it at weird things, you get weird effects. I apologize for not stating that in previous videos, but we had someone who noticed that when they took their polarized glasses off and held them up to a computer screen, they got some really weird effects. So you can actually see the polarization working, and they thought it was a defect in the lens, but no, that just shows that it's working as advertised, and that you get some weird color and chromatic aberrations because it is doing The reason why it blocks the light, you hear the term polar opposites. One polarized filter versus another, it's they're fighting with each other. So, but yeah, so light does the same thing. It hits a flat surface and reflects back up. Are you seeing the shiny silver? It's hard to photograph mirrors, but we can do this in polarized gray, brown, or green. And there's 9 colors of mirrors: matte silver, shiny silver as seen here. There's a matte gold and shiny gold, matte blue, shiny blue, and I'm sorry, matte blue, shiny blue, and now there's the new cool blue, 1 green, 1 red. But he got the shiny silver that's in the mirror there. So that's it. The frame sells for $180 complete. Polarized adds $99. The mirror adds $100. It also adds an extra week's time because it just takes longer to put the mirror coating onto lenses. So we thank you for your patience, whoever gets this. But if you have any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. Call Jigsaw, my partner / apprentice, at 919-491-2411. He can answer more questions about the polarization filters that you get from computer screens and the effects that causes that. He has a really expensive MacBook that you don't get that effect, but he does have a clock on the wall that he gets that same effect when he takes it off his polarized lenses with the, I can't remember if he got the cool blue or I think he got the strong blue, but he gets the same effect when he holds his up to a clock on the wall and moves it around. So, but anyway, that's it. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination becomes available. And I have not done this frame in a while. It is a classic. So that's it. Adrian, please leave a comment in the comment section below, as well as a selfie that we'll send out, a selfie request. I'd love to have you somewhere with Staten Island in the background, or the water, or just anything iconic with you posing in front of it. It can be in your car. It's okay. But the background helps make the pictures. So we have someone with an iPhone who took a picture of their silver mirror, and their mirror was so good you can see everything on their phone. It was unbelievably clear, the reflection. But that's it. Again, Adrian in Staten Island, thank you so much for the purchase of the RB4105 color 601S, the folding Wayfarer with the polarized gray and the shiny silver mirror. Click on the link above to go to the website. I'm See More Better. Adrian's going to be seeing Mo Better. Now everyone else has got a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.